is characterized by sleeping on one side, back and legs straight, arms down by their sides, and their cheek resting on a pillow. 50% are said to be sleeping in this position. The third one is the shoulder position. Log and shoulder positions have similarities in common wherein they both sleep with back and legs straight. But in shoulder position, a person sleeps flat on his back, facing the ceiling, and arms down by their sides. 8% are said to be sleeping in this position. The fourth one is the free fall position. In this position, a person lies on his front, arms wrapped around the pillow, and his head turning on one side. Experts say that in this position, it can put a lot of strain on your neck. And 7% are said to be sleeping in this position. Last but not least is the urinary position. In this position, a person sleeps on one side, arms outstretched, and his back is straight and his legs are slightly bent. Now that you know the common sleeping positions, let's now proceed to the personalities behind it. Fetal sleepers are said to be tough on the outside but sensitive to the inside. They may be shy at first when they meet somebody but soon relax. Also, they have overthinking problems and worry unnecessarily. Experts say that fetal sleepers seek their comfort zone after a stressful day. The higher the knees and the lower the head, the more internal comfort that you feel to yourself. Dogs, the next one. Dog sleepers are said to be easy to awaken, social people who like being part of the crowd. They are trusting of strangers and they may even be gullible or easily fooled. Next one, shoulder position sleepers are generally quiet and reserved. They adhere to high standards and are perfectionists. The next one, people sleepers are said to be extrovert and outgoing people who like socializing but they do not like criticism. People who are always scared from work or even drunk people often sleep in this position. And last, the urinary position sleepers are said to be cautious of strangers and cynical. They are slow in making decisions but stick to it once made. They always expect great results in everything they do, which means that they give up easily when things don't go their way. Now that you know the common sleeping positions, let's now go over what you should think. So today, I talk about the common sleeping positions and the personalities behind it. Everyone loves sleeping, but how sleep affects our mood and health. We may be aware of our body language when we are awake, but it's more interesting to see what our subconscious goes through